Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of Euro USD, USD CAD, USD CHF and USD JPY has moved in the last week and how these forex currencies can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, what we have seen that a continuous downtrend. Okay, continuous downtrend, and that this is from Feb of 21. Okay, and after that what we have seen, there is a rise. Okay, so it is currently trading at around 1.07349. Suppose if the price of this level sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1.07821, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1.0931. okay, and once this level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1.12089. okay, and if this level also sustain, then we can see it will come in this particular zone. So what we can see, it can move further upside towards a level towards an upside of 1.14179, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1.15049. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, because we know that market is uncertain and it is a continuous opposite U pattern is forming. So once if it goes below a level of 1.06341, then we can see it can go further down and can touch a level of 1.0557. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.04773, and once this level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.03816, and once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.03886. okay, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further down and can, because this is the range where it has not broken since 2014. okay, and even before that. So now if it goes below this particular level, we can see it can move further down. But if we talk about USD CHF, I have already told you that this is the range. Once if it breaks, we can see further upside. okay, after this we have seen a swing at this particular level. So once this swing, okay, and after that now it is trading at around 0.95744. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.95221, and if from there we can see it can touch a level of 0.94707. once this level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.93808, and from there we can see it can move further down. But suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.97533, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 0.98175. okay, and once this level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.99138, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1.00230. okay, and this is the level we have seen that once if it goes above this level, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1.00551 and then further upside. But if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down. okay, but if we talk about USD CAD, it is moving in this particular zone only. So once this zone, that means if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down to a level of 1.26241, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 1.24448. and once this, because this is the zone where we have seen it is moving. okay, so once if it goes below a level of 1.244, then only we can see it can go further down towards a level of 1.23068, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move to a level of 1.21398. but suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1.27912, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1.28914. suppose if the price goes above that level, then only we can see it can move to a level of 1.29749, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1.30751. okay, and once if it goes below above this level, then we can see it can go further upside. okay, now we talk about the USD JPY. see, if we talk about USD JPY, if you know that I have already told you that there is a rise, and after that particular swing has come, because this is the high level which we have seen, and after this swing we have seen there's continuously fall. So what we can see, a near support at this particular level is coming at around 1.125.827. suppose if this level then sustain this level, we can see it can come down to a level of 1.2 126.478, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 125.935. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 125.284, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 123.655. okay, and if this level also goes down, we can see it can go further down towards a level of 121.918. okay, or suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 127.890, and from there we can see it can further upside towards a level of 128.650. okay, and once if that level also sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 130.822. okay, and if this level also sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 131.147, and this level is already being tested here, so chances will be very high we can see it can go further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.